Those are really challenging workouts. So it's only 3 exercises. It's compounded. Hindi na natin kailangan yung maraming exercise, no? Katulad nitong pull-ups, marami ng benefits ito. So maraming muscles na involved dito. Not only yung back but also the shoulders, the biceps and the triceps, even the forearms, itong wrist, and yung sa core, no? Yung stability ng sa core, no? And yung sa chest naman, yung this one, yung sa, especially if you add it with yung clap, no? It's more challenging. And finally yung sa pistol squat, I do it with weights, no? Kaya kahit medyo gradual, no? Mafe-feel mo talaga yung yung intensity dun sa quadriceps. And it's like leg mo pa yung yung nag-marathon kasi yung impact na sa legs. Why you should try it, no? And kung hindi mo pa kaya sa umpisa, you can do it yung using yung body weight lang. So for the busy person, kayang-kaya yan, no? Just less than 30 minutes, no? And regardless of your age, I'm 50 years old, but I can still do those things. And one of the positive things about that is that yung you feel young after. And yun, makikita mo naman, saka yung pag-iisip mo malinaw, lumilinaw, no? Especially kailangan natin ngayon yan, no? And yung outlook mo, and you have this certain feeling yung bang mas masaya ka pagka nakapag-workout ka after you have done it. Kasi yung bang dopamine level, no? Those are yung mga positive emotions. And yan, kailangan natin sa yung mga tougher work, especially even sa mental activities. So God bless. If you have any questions, you can you may write down your comments. And stay safe. Of course, subscribe. I'll give you more videos on this one. And keep healthy.